Hello all and welcome to my channel. Here is Fanta BH again. This time no 20 minutes video, just a few minutes of your time, so please stay with me. I just want your opinion. Recently I have received this board from customers who first time coming to me. This is other side. Nothing too big on other side besides some resistors and capacitors. Here you see this is main board of HP all-in-one printer scanner. Even they said something else, but at first glance when you see such board, here is CPU, here is a big voltage controller. We have two dedicated memory chips around this CPU. They just said, please, can you replace this chip? And brought me another chip taken from another board like this, I think, I don't know. So, request to me was not to diagnose board, not to check what's the wrong with board. It was just, can I replace this chip? So I did it. At first, easy to remove it, as you can see, but of course I protected bottom side just to not lose any capacitor or anything what is below this chip. However, after removal, prepared everything. Uh, you see on the screen whole process how I doing it. Prepared everything, clean up, adding new fresh mechanic soldering, low temperature melting soldering paste, and after all, place it, position the new chip at the spot, and carefully by using hot air soldered it back. For all of this job, I told you this is going to be a quick video. For all of this job you've seen now in video, for all that I charged 15 euros or like almost 20 bucks US dollars. I don't think that is expensive, but maybe it is, because what I did, just remove it and place the chip back. Nothing big, nothing 10 minutes of job, for real. But that was my punishment to them, because they broke me that board, this board. They broke me this board and told me replace this chip and problem will be solved. Do you know what happens? 2 days later, this board came back to me like everything is same, and then I told them, why you brought it to me? Did you ask me to diagnose this board? Did you ask me to find what's wrong with this board? They just, two of them was looking into me like thinking what to say. I'm sorry, but I said immediately, I'm sorry, but I can't help you. because you was too arrogant to come to me and ask me just to replace IC without checking what's wrong and what's wrong. They insisted me to diagnose this board. They insisted me to try to fix it and so on. So now, after all, not in this video, but maybe tomorrow, uh, we will see. Uh, we will try to diagnose this board to see what's the wrong. I have some clue about what's the wrong, what can cause this board to be dead. I mean, it's not fully dead CPU working because, as they say, display on the printer working. They can go into menu, choose everything, but ports does not work at all. That's the problem. Not board itself, not CPU that does not work, not memory, because all of these elements, memory chips, this firmware chip, all of these chips would cause printer to be dead fully, to no response. Even this voltage controller, smart chip, of course it controlling the both ports, but if this chip is wrong, something we would miss some of voltages, and for sure there would be nothing on display, or there will be some error message or anything like that, but not everything working properly. It even printing test page from the menu on the printer, even printing test page and so on, but ports does not work. We will check that in next video, I promise. We will try to fix this board, but tell me, would you even accept such request from unknown people to just replace some element, some chip on the board, like they will be so convinced that that is the problem, and please, can you replace it, just replace it, take charge as you want, and replace that part and all will be fine. And then 2 days later they come back crying like they were wrong. Tell me, would you accept, and how much you will charge for such arrogancy? That is all what I wanted to talk with you in this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, follow me, watch video. Help me grow up this channel, and thank you. Bye bye. See you with next video.